Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of ProAdvertisersclub.com. What I'm going to show you today is the new addition we have of the Still the Site mod. And basically what it does, it's free advertising on the very first page when people log in. And once you still it, your ad will be at the top. And then as people still it, it will work its way down until it falls off the list. And then you can just still it again. I think you have to read a minimum of 5 or 10 ads like that right now. That will go up as the more memberships, as we get more people to sign up. But all you have to do is once you are qualified to still it, you put in the subject line, which is what you read here, and then the target URL and still it. And that's it. And that's as some of these are staying here for about a day and a half right now because, we're not a whole lot of members. So it's really good free advertising. But anyway, come join us at ProAdvertisersclub.com. We're giving away a free lifetime banner, and the VIP memberships right now are $49 for the first 50. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.